श्रीमान सदानंद शेट तनवाडे जी।
Thank you, Chairman Sir. I rise to draw the attention of this August House to a matter of serious public health concern. Cinema, films, web series, television programs, and digital streaming content on OTT platforms have a strong influence on the perception and behavior of children and young people. In many movies, web series, television shows, and OTT content, smoking and tobacco use are frequently shown. When popular actors and film stars are seen smoking on screen, it leaves a strong impression on teenagers, college students, and young adults. When young viewers see their favorite actors smoking, they are more likely to imitate them, often without fully understanding the serious health risk involved. As a result, there has been a worrying surge in tobacco imagery across these platforms, exposing millions of young viewers to content that glamorizes and normalizes tobacco use. Studies have shown that young people who are repeatedly exposed to such imagery are more likely to start smoking or vaping compared to those who are not. This represents a serious public health concern and puts a youth at a risk of nicotine addiction. Tobacco imagery is not limited to film alone. It is increasingly visible in web series, television shows, and even music videos, where tobacco use is often portrayed casually, repeatedly exposing young audiences to such scenes. In many cases, scenes showing actors using tobacco can influence viewers, especially teenagers and young people, by making smoking appear normal, attractive, or even cool. It is therefore important that the government take urgent and effective steps to prevent youngsters from being exposed to such content that promotes or normalizes tobacco use. Chairman Sir, I urge the government to take swift and decisive action to ensure that children and youth are protected from the influence of tobacco imagery, prevented from developing tobacco habits, and safeguarded for their long-term health. Thank you, sir.
श्रीमान
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.